With numerous U.S. and international patent designs, General Hearing's SimpliSoft device represents a complex integration of medical-grade silicone with today's advanced microelectronics. Unlike other flexible devices on the market, SimpliSoft will never shrink, crack, or harden over time. During this brief video, we'll demonstrate how to operate, wear, and properly maintain your new instrument. Please be sure to view all of the contents of this quick start video before attempting to use your new SimpliSoft product. Let's get familiar with the various operating components of your new system. First is the sound port with the no wax sound filter, the hypoallergenic soft body, the faceplate, the volume control, the battery door, the microphone port, and the extraction cord. Your kit should contain the following: a single-size number 10 zinc air battery for each instrument, a complete instruction manual, a travel pouch, a no-wax filter pack, a special new magnetic cleaning tool, and the quick start video you're watching now. We do recommend that whenever you install a new battery to do so over a towel. This prevents the battery from rolling away should you accidentally drop it. Before installing the battery, peel off the paper activation tab. Notice the battery has a plus sign stamped on it. Hold the SimpliSoft device with the volume control wheel on the top. Insert the battery so that the plus sign stamped on the battery is facing you. Due to the small size of the battery, you may find it easier to install the battery using the magnetic tip on the brush. Once the battery is installed, gently close the battery door. If the battery is installed incorrectly, the battery door will not close. Let's conduct a simple sound test. Hold the device with the volume control on top. Using your index finger, rotate the volume control until it stops. The device is now on at full volume. Cup the device in your hand and hold it close to your ear. You should hear a high-pitched sound called feedback. If you don't hear anything, check to ensure that the battery is installed correctly, that the door is fully closed, and that the volume control is on the full on position. If you do not hear any whistling, then you may need to try a fresh battery. If there is no whistling noise with a fresh battery, technical support is readily available at www.readywearexpress.com or call for assistance toll-free at 877-763-8327. When successful testing is complete, turn the volume control to the off position. You should feel a slight click when you reach the off position. Proper insertion of the device is essential to receive the full benefit and comfort of your SimpliSoft. SimpliSoft devices are identified by either a blue-colored serial number for your left ear and a red-colored serial number for your right ear. Hold the device between your thumb and forefinger, using the right hand to insert the right device and the left hand to insert the left device. Remember to always have the volume control at the top with the volume turned off. With the receiver port pointed towards your ear canal, insert the device into your ear canal and gently push into place using your forefinger. You may need to use your other hand to gently pull the top of your ear while doing this. Once the device is fully seated into your ear, adjust the volume control to a comfortable sound level. To increase the volume control, slowly rotate the volume control towards your face. To decrease the volume control or to turn off the device, rotate the volume control towards the back of your head. If you hear a whistling sound, slightly decrease the volume and gently push on the device to ensure that it's seated properly. When correctly installed, this is the way the SimpliSoft will look in your ear. To remove the SimpliSoft from your ear, grasp the extraction cord with your thumb and forefinger and slowly pull it out. Each evening, wipe the device clean with a soft tissue or a small towel. Use the cleaning brush to clean the no-wax filter within the sound port, the microphone port, and the faceplate. The device features the latest in wax protection. Pull one of the blue filtered tabs from the filter case. Note that there are two tips on the tab. While the white tab is the fresh filter, the other tip is for the extraction of the used filter. In your other hand, hold the Simply device between your thumb and forefinger. Insert the extraction tip of the blue tab into the sound port. Pull the tab away from the device. You should notice a white tip on the end. Using the other tip of the tab, insert the new filter into the sound port and pull away. If you have any trouble extracting or inserting the filter, slightly change the angle of the tab when you're pulling away from the device. When not in use, we recommend that you store your device in the soft travel pouch, and please keep it out of the reach of children and pets. Keep your Simply Soft away from heat sources such as hair dryers or car glove compartments. Do not wear your Simply Soft while you're showering or swimming, and avoid using hairspray while you're wearing your instruments. When using a telephone, make sure to roll the headset slightly away from your ear to prevent feedback with your new device. Simply Soft will not restore your hearing. However, Simply Soft can enhance your hearing ability in numerous day-to-day situations. Try to wear your Simply Soft device every day. Remember, it may take some time to adjust to hearing certain sounds again. We think you'll find that Simply Soft from General Hearing will bring an enriched quality of life through better hearing.